Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today. And as you guys can see, we are here with another portfolio update, and I was able to hit 27% in profits today. That is right, we are making some bank, and I'll be showing you in today's video how I was able to make 27% today, and in the overall week, how I was able to lose 60%. I know it requires a lot of skill and talent to lose that much, but I'll be showing you guys my thought process on the stocks, and as well showing you guys how I will realistically turn these 56 bucks into a whopping $500 in the next part of the video. So make sure to stay tuned, and I'll be showing you guys all about that. But before I get into it, I'd really appreciate you guys could smash that like button below. All it really takes is scroll down a bit and tap that like button. All it really takes. Unless you're watching this in full screen, then just click on full screen and tap that like button. I don't ask for much, but I'd really appreciate you guys could do so. It really helps out the channel a ton. And that's all I ask for in return for watching these videos. So, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing, guys? You gotta see my portfolio either get destroyed or grow a ton. So you guys gotta can learn from my mistakes and my successes. And yeah, let's just get into the video. So right here, you guys can see that we're up around 27% today. Weekly, we are down around 60%. How this happened is I'll do a quick recap. With SPY options, I was trying to day trade options, but I got the it's my last day trade kind of mentality, which wasn't so well. I bought a call on SPY at around $119, and I sold it for $22, which is a massive, massive loss. Yes, I agree, but I was like, no, I'm not gonna cut my losses because of the sole fact that I was on my last day trade, and I didn't want to like spend it already. So I decided just to cut my losses at this amount. It could have been way worse, but that's what happened, and I need to really keep closer and pay closer attention to my stop losses and where I should place them, so this doesn't happen again for sure. Options are extremely risky, and this can't happen again. So a trade that I made today, which led to my portfolio being up 27%, is a simple trade. I bought a put on SPY for $42, only $42, and I flipped it into $54. So that's a $12 profit within like less than an hour. So that was some nice money made from the stock, and it was a really quick and easy trade. And I'll be showing you guys my quick thought process between this, how I decided to buy the stock, and like where I bought and where I sold. So simply put, where I bought the stock was right around. It was one of these three candles right here, right around this area. If you guys can see that, like the cross here, I purchased there a put because I saw that the stock kept hitting up the middle Bollinger Band and bouncing down like drastically. Hit the middle Bollinger Band, fell down drastically. Hit the middle Bollinger Band, and I thought it was gonna happen again, and it kind of did. I got kind of stressed out when it poked above, but then it went down. And right here, you guys are like, Casper, why did you take profits here? Well, I thought this wasn't gonna be the lowest point, and once I saw like the green candles forming, I was like, I'm gonna wait until the next bounce down, which didn't go so well. And I noticed that the stock was like going up like crazy until it finally settled right here is where I sold. I saw that it had a really strong sell-off in the 3 minutes right there. If I can zoom in a bit, right here, I sold it at the bottom of this red candle for a nice profit of $12, but I sold it for $54 the option. So that's a quick like thought process of how I decided to take this trade. And my stop loss was pretty close up. It was around the 39 area, 39-cent area. So it did hit that temporarily, really quickly, but it just bounced right back up. So I didn't even have time to cut my losses if I were going to. But I still saw that I had potential for profit. So I was going to lower that by about 1 cent or so. So yes, that's definitely a good sign and a bad sign with my trading. Need to cut my losses. That's the number one key right here. But here, showing you guys like the other part of the video. And I know I started talking about Webull, and I'm still kind of like fiddling with the web version because I'm not able to figure out how to find my if anyone knows how to find your paper trading account on the web version, please put a comment down below. I really need to see how to I need to figure out how to do this. But basically today we're up around $3,000, which is some nice profit from like a quick day trade on the account. But in right now, what I'm going to be showing you guys will probably semi blow your mind. All right, guys. So starting from $50, which is around my portfolio right now, give or take, we're up 56. All right. So let's say we take $50 right here, we place it into an investment, and we add 0 because we're gonna try to grow the money just from where it is. And it says years right here, and everyone's probably gonna be like, Casper, but that's years. Trust me, they don't have a compounding weekly, so I'm gonna use these as weeks basically. So over the span of around 8 weeks, if we grow our portfolio by around 20%, and with these day trading options, my average gains are around, let's write this down really quick. My average gains are around 10% to around 40%, which is realistic for a day trade. Maybe closer to the around 20% to 30% area, but this is still possible. And I like to be a bit conservative with my calculations. So let's say we make 2 out of the 3 trades, we make around like 10 to 15 to 20%, right? And let's say we make 1 bad trade and we have to cut losses at 10%. So our average gain about a week would be around 20%. And that is only with a small portfolio. I would definitely not be doing this with like a $5,000 portfolio, because that'd be a huge risk. But it's a small portfolio, so I'll be going like all in with the options because I could only like buy one anyway. So we buy and we sell these options for around 20% gain every week. And if we compound that, we get around $215. So within around 8 weeks, we'll be able to be at the area of around $200. Well, Casper, $200 isn't too much in your portfolio. And I completely understand. But I want you guys to understand one thing. This is exponential. I probably maybe won't be making 20% like once I have like around $500 to $1,000 in the portfolio. But let's say we get it to 500. All it takes is 13 weeks to 10 times your money, more than 10 times your money. And this is all through just day trading options, so you can cut your losses and not have to like wait over the weekend and like maybe it'll gap up, gap down over the weekend, kind of guessing. This is where you can keep your cut your losses right when you see you need to do that, and it's more simple and safe, I would say, in my opinion. So yes, we would be at around $534.97 within 13 weeks, and from there we would probably diversify more to like some swing trading, but also day trade options on the side as well. So definitely this portfolio can have the potential to grow so much. Just out of curiosity, let's check. Let's say we do this for a year. How much would the $50 grow to? That is not super realistic because I mean, that could happen, but you have to like dump in your whole portfolio every time you're doing that. Yeah, so maybe not this much by the end of the year because I definitely won't be risking 100% of the capital every time I trade. So you guys can see how kind of my thought process is on how I'm able to grow this $50 into 500 just day trading options with these simple trades, just going with the trend. If it's trending up, just buy a call and take profits when it's showing resistance. Simple as that. And I just want to share with you guys that part of today. So that's just going to be it for today's video, and I really appreciate you guys could smash that like button, and peace out, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching.